What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete documents and data on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, we will take a look at documents saved on your device. Open up your Files app. A lot of applications store your documents, photos and other files in your Files app. You can preview your recent documents here, and in the Browse section, you can browse through folders that you or other apps have created. To delete a folder or items within a folder, tap on the burger menu icon on the top right of your screen. Tap on Select. This will allow you to select the files you wish to delete. After making your selection, tap on the trash can icon on the bottom of your screen. Other apps might save documents and other files within the application. Apps like Spotify or WhatsApp can use up a lot of storage for locally saved videos, music, and cached images. To get rid of these files, open up the app, in this example, Spotify. Navigate to your settings. From here, select Storage. You will see how much storage the downloads and cache is taking up on your device. You can select to remove all downloads or Clear Cache, which will leave the downloaded songs on your device but will get rid of stored information and images for artists, for example. There is an easy way to clear the cache for almost all applications on your device. To do so, open up your Settings application. From here, navigate to General and tap on iPhone Storage. It may take a second or two to load your storage information, and you can then see how much your apps, photos, and other files are taking up on your device. You might be surprised how much storage your Netflix or podcast app is taking up on your iPhone. You will see some storage recommendations which can help you get rid of unneeded apps, movies, or old iMessage conversations. To clear the cache for a specific app, you can search for it or scroll down to see the apps that are taking up the most storage on your device. To delete the documents, data, and cached files stored on a particular app, then select it and tap on Offload App. The application might require you to log back into your account, as your account information can get deleted too. After taking a look at your storage settings, you can proceed to do the same step for your iCloud storage, as a lot of documents and other files can be backed up in your iCloud. Navigate to your Apple ID settings and, from here, tap on iCloud. You can preview your iCloud storage information and whether your iCloud mail, messages, notes, and other apps are backed up and synced with your iCloud. To prevent the loss of important files, it's suggested to have a recent backup stored in your iCloud. If you wish to delete a backup, then tap on Manage Storage. From here, select Backups, and you can then proceed to delete backups for your devices from here. You can also delete your stored Messenger conversations and stored files from other apps. Lastly, you might want to get rid of your Safari browser history and website data. Back in your main settings, scroll down and select Safari. Scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. This will remove your history, cookies, and other browsing data, such as login information and site preferences. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.